God, remember vlogs? Remember actually giving a shit about some random person on the internet? Yeah, I figured I'd want to start doing this little weird narrative thing with audience in an episodic format. I know it sounds weird, but I've been toying around with the footage that you shoot in terms of like archival and turning it into a story. So yeah, join me on this blend of real-time archival and stories being put together and whatnot. And what better way to do that than to get inspired, go take some shots, not alcoholic shots, but with the camera, bring you guys along, and see what flows through the day. I mean, dude, LA is like the biggest fucking canvas you could have, so, dude. Cool, man. So I just blackmailed my friend Jose into coming along with me, so extra set of hands, baby. Oh, that's a horrible angle. What if I do this? Oh, great. Now I'm going to be catching the camera capturing this.
This speaks racer.
Ricer?
Racer. He races.
I don't want my shit falling out of the fucking door.
True. What would you use this as a exterior shot? What would you want this building to be? What type of factory, an office space, and
It looks pretty corporate.
Yeah, that's right. Like, would it be your Oscorp? Like, that's what I'm trying to say.
Laboratory.
What would it be called? Ace Laboratories?
Like Aces. Oh, it's a university thing apparently.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I'll call it like Alcor Laboratory. Some stupid.
MRK? Would that be right there?
Nah, MRK is more of like a industrial brutalist kind of.
Okay, yeah.
Architecture.
Yeah, if we have to do all LA areas, this would probably be like my daily bugle. Just fucking make it this spot.
Fuck. The brown brick and everything.
Yeah. Or the apartments, maybe, for somebody.
Yeah. It's bad I don't have synchronized cameras.
Yeah. Free Iran. It's actually not a bad thing.
Oh, they're smoking cigarettes right there on the side. That's my dream. That's my dream. I want to do that.
Handshake too. Handshake.
That's so casual.
It's crazy how that's the corner of like that's Broadway.
That's Broadway. Dude, Broadway's crazy. Oh fuck. My shit's fucking up. Oh god. They have smash plates.
Is there?
No.
You fucking idiot.
You fat fuck.
Yeah, they said it was gonna be hot today too. Actually.
Yeah, it feels hot. It feels hot. So, I thought, why not use one scene in my flick to throw into this tutorial, make things a little bit easier, a little bit more stakes for me, and more of a reason to actually go out and record the outside world. So what we're gonna do is use a drone, get some footage of the surrounding environment. Then we're gonna throw in a scene, a little bit of dialogue, and edit all that on the timeline. Yeah. Alright, now fuck off. It's just improv.
What?
Like, look, the truth is, I'm gonna try to get out of you. Like, just tell me already. And then, like almost crying, you're gonna be like, I'm gay.
I don't want to say it. I almost started laughing when I say I'm gay.
Drama. No, you'll tap in. I trust you.
I don't trust myself.
You'll be alright.
Oh my god, dude.
$1 million movie here.
No, it's not.
People are gonna look back at this, and, you know.
They're gonna look back at this and be like, you're a fucking idiot, dude.
Award-winning performance.
I can't do this right now, bro. I hate you. Are you recording right now?
Huh?
Are you recording right now?
No, I'm just framing. I'm ready for you to.
Oh. I'm gay because I don't like girls.
Rolling stones in the rap game, not bragging. Look bigger than Jagger, not sagging. Roll it backwards, I'ma leave it at that. That ain't got nothing to do with rap. Check the backs, expose those cats. Who pose as heroes, take advantage of blacks. The government's gangsters will cut the crap. A war going on, so where y'all at? Fight the power, cause they responsible.